Looking to boost your PC's performance while adding a splash of eye-catching style? G.Skill RGB RAM offers the perfect blend of speed and stunning visuals, thanks to its support for XMP2.0 profiles that let you reach rated overclock speeds effortlessly. Whether you want to run at default JEDEC speeds or push your system to the limit, this memory adapts to your motherboard and CPU capabilities for reliable stability. What sets this RAM apart isn't just the specs, it's the way it transforms your build's look. Users across the United States are raving about how these sticks sparkle and shine in real life, far beyond what photos can capture. One happy buyer even returned their previous $80 Corsair RGB RAM just to upgrade to G.Skill's version, saying the extra investment was absolutely worth it for the brightness and beauty. Another user shared a simple but crucial tip. Don't forget to remove the clear protective plastic sheets on the sides to reveal the full glow and design. This attention to detail shows how G.Skill balances both form and function. If you're serious about upgrading your PC, this memory is worth a close look. It's not just about flashy lights, it's about getting a product that performs reliably while enhancing your setup's aesthetics. For peace of mind, check G.Skill's QVL or RAM configurator on their website to confirm compatibility with your motherboard. Ready to experience a memory upgrade that truly stands out? Try G.Skill RGB RAM when you're ready and see the difference it makes in both speed and style.